Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $635.60 a coin. The present exchange cost range $553.66 $637.56. The earlier day close $567.74. The change was plus 67.86 plus 11.95%. Converse rate US to BCH. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for June 2024. To start with, cost at 112 coins. Exorbitant costs are 134, while lows are 112. They found the middle value of cost are within 21. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends are within 24, change for June 10.7%. US to BCH expectation for July 2024. At the outset, cost at 124 coins. Excessive costs are 124, while lows to 100. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 114. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends are 107, change for July 13.7%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for August 2024. At the outset, cost at 107 coins. Exorbitant costs are 112, while lows are 98. They found the middle value of cost are 106. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends are 105, change for August 19%. US to BCH expectation for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at 105 coins. Exorbitant cost are 107, while lows are 93. They found the middle value of cost are 101. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends are 100, change for September 4.8%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 100 coins. Excessive costs are 100, while lows are 83. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 93. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends at 89, change for October 11%. US to BCH expectation for November 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.89 coins. Exorbitant costs are 92, while lows are 80. They found the middle value of cost on 87. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 85, change for November 4.5%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.85 coins. Exorbitant costs N88, while lows N77. They found the middle value of cost on 83. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 82, change for December 3.5%. US to BCH expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 0.82 coins. Excessive costs on 82, while lows in 66. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.75. The US to BCH figure toward the month's end 0.71, change for January 13.4%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.71 coins. Exorbitant costs in 75, while lows on 65. They found the middle value of cost 0.70. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends in 70, change for February 1.4%. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.70 coins. Exorbitant costs on 74, while lows on 65. They found the middle value of cost on 70. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 69, change for spring 1.4%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.69 coins. Exorbitant costs on 73, while lows earn 64. They found the middle value of cost 0.69. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends is 68, change for April 1.4%. US to BCH expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.68 coins. Excessive costs 73, while lows in 63. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 68. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends is 68, change for May's 1%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.68 coins. Exorbitant costs you 68, while lows end 55. They found the middle value of cost 62. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends 58, change for June 14.7%. US to BCH expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.58 coins. Exorbitant costs in 61, while lows on 53. They found the middle value of cost on 57. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 56, change for July 3.4%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for August 2025. Before all else cost at 0.56 coins. Excessive costs on 62, while lows on 54. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 57. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends and 57, change for August 18%. US to BCH expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 0.57 coins. Excessive costs 64, while lows end 56. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 59. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ENZO 60, change for September 3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.60 coins. Exorbitant costs 62, while lows on 54. They found the middle value of cost at 58. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends in 57, change for October 5%. US to BCH expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.57 coins. Exorbitant costs on 73, while lows on 57. They found the middle value of cost 64. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends 68, change for November 19%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.68 coins. Exorbitant costs in 68, while lows earn 55. They found the middle value of cost 63. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends at 59, change for December 2%. The US to BCH expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.59 coins. Exorbitant costs 75, while lows on 59. They found the middle value of cost 66. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends 70, change for January 6%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for February 2026. To start with cost at 0.70 coins. Exorbitant costs are 90, while lows on 70. They found the middle value of cost 78. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 83, change for February 6%. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.83 coins. Excessive costs on 107, while lows on 83. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 93. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 99, change for spring 19.3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for April 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.99 coins. Excessive costs 99, while lows on 82. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 92. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends at 88, change for April 1%. US to BCH expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.88 coins. Exorbitant costs 88.